We're gonna cheer on the dogs. I'm excited. We're off again. The car is loaded up. I am going to a really cool event. We just finished recording and now we are planning. I wanted to talk about the show. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a week in my life. My name is Brooke. Please subscribe if you guys are new here. If this is your first time seeing my face, or maybe you've been watching my videos but you haven't subscribed yet. I know there are a few of you who haven't. It takes literally 2 seconds and you won't miss any future videos. Comfy clothes because headed out right now. Sol de Janeiro is so kindly giving massages today. They invited me in and I get to try some of their new products. So we get to go. Come with me. Just all there. I haven't really vlogged today because I've been working on a lot of live show things behind the scenes, kind of, because I think we're announcing those tomorrow. Exciting stuff. If you didn't know, we're coming to Atlanta, Orlando, and Tampa. 4 gals in the go. I will have the links down below to the shows. We would love to have you guys there. It's not just a live podcast, it's like a whole show. And they're going to be Galentine's themed. So we're getting excited for that. Anyways, that's kind of what I worked on this whole afternoon after I came home from the massage, which was lovely. And they gifted me some products. So then I came home and showered. Well, it took many hours, but just now showered. And I was gonna put it on. This is what the product is that they were like promoting and giving me a massage to promote. It's the Bum Bum Body Fermenza oil. I actually love body oils and serums because sometimes putting on lotion is like a whole thing. But slapping on a body oil is efficient. Ooh, it's really nice packaging. I mean, I knew it before, but I haven't like picked it up. It's nice and heavy. Comes with a nice pump. Anyways, today's exciting because Georgia plays in the national championship today. Tonight, actually, at 8 o'clock. It's like 4:30 right now. So I'm gonna start getting ready for the night because myself and a bunch of friends, we are going to a bar to watch the game. There's like a few alumni bars in the city, but the main one, you had to like put in a request to get a table. It's gonna be super busy and I didn't get a table. Neither did any of my friends. So we're going to this other bar. I think Delaney's gonna come. Danielle is out of town at the national championship. She comes back tomorrow. She's like literally going to the game in LA, which is so exciting. But Delaney just moved here, so I think she's gonna come, a bunch of my friends, and it's gonna be a good time. So I'm looking forward to that. But first we're gonna slick up our body. Feels really good. But besides that, just Monday things, getting some sponsored content and things done. I'll update you guys when I start to get ready. I really don't feel like doing my makeup just yet. This oil feels really nice though. Did my makeup. My skin is not in the best state, but I was able to kind of cover it up. The Huda Beauty baking powder is amazing. Wearing a very simple outfit tonight. This bodysuit is from Zara. These leather pants I never really wear enough. They're kind of like, they fit me interesting because they're really tight in the waist, but then they're like looser in the leg. And I feel like they're supposed to be tight throughout the whole leg. So I don't know, but I think they're cute. They're from Revice denim, I think. I've had them in my closet forever. I like definitely don't wear them enough. I'm gonna wear just my black boots. We're gonna cheer on the dogs. I'm excited. Quickly need to do some computer things before I head out because I feel like if I have a few drinks, I'm gonna wanna just come back and go to bed after. By the time I get back, it'll probably be late. I am gonna get some clips on my phone because I think it's gonna be exciting. So I will see you guys at the bar. Back in the car. Can we talk about that dog's win though? That was crazy, but a really good game. I'm headed home today. I have to stop by my apartment first and get all my Christmas decorations that I'm bringing home because my parents so kindly let me store them in the basement. I have a dentist appointment and I'm swinging by my house. Yeah, just going back to Long Island today. It's Tuesday. Yeah, we literally left at the third quarter of the game because they were winning by so much and it was a Monday and we were like, all like, eh, we kind of all have stuff tomorrow. And if they're winning by this much, let's get driving. We're all loaded up now with the Christmas decor in the back. This car also really needs a wash. I haven't gotten a wash since I like went up to the mountains and it is showing it's dirty. Okay, so I need to unpack the decor when I get home, grab my Christmas presents that are like in my room and just like things that I left behind when I went to Vegas. I need to get gas, get a car wash, and then I need to go to my dentist appointment. My dentist appointment's at 1:30. It's 10 o'clock right now. Let's see what the traffic is like going home. It's really, you never know. First up, we're getting a car wash. I feel like it's as clean as the day I got it. Also, this is very exciting. It must have been buried in the back of my car, which it happens. I found a bag full of stuff, including this book that I thought that I misplaced, which is very exciting because now I can finish it. We're off again. The car is loaded up. I got to see my dad and my brother. My mom is in Pennsylvania for work. I'm gonna see them all again soon. And now I'm going to the dentist. Really exhilarating stuff. Just trying to get it all done while I'm home. My lips are parched. I keep this in my car, and I have one in my like workout bag, my SoulCycle bag, that I actually am going back to more SoulCycle this week. So I'm excited about that. I'm proud of myself. Kosas Sport. Pretty good. Let's go. I've been home now for a few hours, putting away Christmas presents and getting organized around here, and I've sat down to do work for the day. Now I still have to like clean up a little bit, but in the meantime I really want to finish this book because I'm so close to finishing, and I found it in the back of my car and I'm just excited about it, and I just need to finish at this point. Right now it's like just okay, so I'm hoping for a big twist because apparently the ending's pretty good. So let's see. Finish this, then we'll make dinner, late dinner tonight because I had snacks. Okay, JK, I'm hungry, so we're gonna put this in bed and I'm gonna quickly make dinner. I got some ingredients to make a chili, but that is extensive, so I'm just gonna make mac and cheese tonight. This is one of the perks of being an adult. You get to make whatever meal you're feeling. I have these Annie's shells, and that sounds good to me. I wanted to really make a chili, but I think we'll make it maybe tomorrow or the next, actually not the next day. Maybe tomorrow. I wanted to make a chili because I got this gorgeous new Dutch oven for Christmas. I can link this one down below. It is the Le Creuset, but it's like the CB2 edition. It's stunning because it has the gold hardware. You can actually switch out the hardware on these, which I didn't know. And I have been wanting a Dutch oven for a minute now. I don't cook a lot, but when I do cook, the things that I make a lot are chilies because it's kind of just like dumping everything in. So I feel like this was like a good thing to put on my list. I'm really, really thankful that I got this for the holidays. Ow. We bandaged up. You guys know I only use fun bandages. That's the rule around here. Some salt, pepper. I heard somewhere, don't quote me where, that you're supposed to salt your water, so I do that because you know I'm just such a chef. Just take everything really seriously when it comes to cooking, and I don't fuck around. I'm looking pretty good considering I didn't use milk. And I actually bought this to top my chili with, but convenient, I have some cheddar, and it's cheddar flavored. So I'm just gonna put some of this in to make it extra cheesy. I'm just a regular gourmet chef over here. I actually just quickly talked to my mom on the phone while I made this, so good to catch up. Morning, guys. I'm all set up. I literally have my tripod set up here because I'm filming a TikTok of trying a new Nespresso recipe. I had a TikTok that did pretty well of me like saying like I'm struggling with making my Nespresso taste like Starbucks. I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it, Lord. And a bunch of people gave me good recipes, so I'm gonna try to like try some of those out and record the process, but that has to go on TikTok then too because it's like a TikTok thing. Anyways, I finished this book this morning. I gave it 3 out of 5 stars. The twist like kind of made it better, but like it definitely dragged on through the middle. It just wasn't my favorite book ever. I mean, it was like a thriller, but it wasn't like so twisty. I don't really know. It just was kind of like one of those books I feel like I'm not gonna remember that I read. I bought this at the airport on the way to Vegas because I realized that I forgot books with me. A twisty, whip smart debut thriller about impending motherhood, unreliable friendships, and the high price of keeping secrets. That's what I would say. It's like told kind of between three, like the 3 main women basically. It was fine, but I have a whole pile of good books that we'll talk, maybe we could do a book chat later in this video because I have some that I'm like a few pages into some books, which I hate doing, like starting and not finishing, but I like had a lot of books like misplaced and unorganized, but I got them all together and I have a good pile of like my TBR to be read. I'm just such a reader. So it's gonna be like a brown sugar shake and espresso, I think, because I have brown sugar and cinnamon and I'm brewing the double shot over it. Now we're gonna froth. The construction's back, love that for me. So this is amazing. Brown sugar, cinnamon, brew a double shot, froth. Add in your oat milk. I did a little bit of vanilla and ice. So it's not even that complicated. And it's delicious. Seriously, as good as the Starbucks one. I finally found my match, thank you. The original creator is Hannah J. Bracken, who told me this recipe, by the way. I put on a little bit of makeup, you see, because I knew I was gonna film that TikTok. And let's get the day started. We have a really exciting day today, actually. I just remembered and I got so excited. Somehow I had all day to get ready. I got carried away making TikToks and I am just sticking with a classic Brooke Miccio outfit, which is my Abercrombie leather pants, this sweater from Maurizia that has definitely gotten its cost per wear. I just love the neckline on it. I think it's so like, it's different than just a normal sweater. It feels a little more elegant. And then these white boots. I am going to a really cool event with Judy Blume, guys. Yes, the childhood author Judy Blume. I know she has other books and things too, but it's for an event for Are You There, God? It's Me, Margaret. And I think that they're gonna show us some clips because they're making it into a movie. So I think it's like a Q&A. They're showing us clips, whatever. I need to go because I need to meet Miss Blume. So let's head out. I'll bring you guys with.
We're moving today. I'm so scared, God. I've never lived anywhere but here. Suppose I hate my new school.
The event was so cool. I got to be read to by Miss Judy Blume. Like, wow, what a cool thing. The movie was so cute. It actually kind of got me in my feels. I've been kind of in my feels all afternoon. Oh my god, I feel like I'm just like on the brink of tears. I think it's like period related and stuff too, but I wanted to just like make a comforting meal and like watch a comfort show and like feel my feelings tonight. Everything's good. There's no need to jump to assumptions or anything. It's literally just like me being like triggered from the movie and like now I'm like sad for some reason. So I have the recipe here. There's gonna be some substitutes because they didn't have everything, but you know, such is life. She's cooking and I'm just snacking on the cheese that I'm supposed to top it with. I tried it, it's a bit spicy, but it'll do. I'm just proud of myself for cooking. From my bed, I just decided to shower. I put my Vegamore serum in my hair because I'm getting a blowout tomorrow. Tomorrow's a pretty busy work day and it's like 10 o'clock at night, so I just was like, I'm just gonna hop in bed, read my book, hydrate. I feel good. Even though the chili I made, it was so spicy, it was basically inedible. So the recipe was from New York Times Cooking. I just should have known. There was like not really many vegetables in there. I don't know, it was so spicy that like the chili peppers or whatever I put in there. Whew. I love you guys and I will see you tomorrow, which is still in this vlog. I made this Nespresso drink yesterday and it was so fire, so I'm gonna make it again for you guys and show you the full recipe. 1 tablespoon brown sugar, cinnamon, lots of it. I'm trying a different pod today. This one is the iced one. I think this one should be good. I need double shot technically. Okay, now we froth that all together. This is like the shaken part, I guess. Oat milk. It's dripping everywhere. Splash of vanilla, even though I feel like it's already probably sweet enough. And now ice. Very good. It's a little less sweet than yesterday, which I even like. That's the drink recipe that I'm probably gonna be sticking to for a while. I set up a little bit because basically when I get back, I'm only gonna have like an hour before Danielle comes and then Emma's coming. We have a Gals on the Go work day. I'm going to get my hair done now because we are recording and we're going into the weekend and stuff, and I just wanted to get my hair done. I actually got some Dry Bar gift cards for Christmas, so that's exciting. Do you guys like the view a lot? I feel like you don't have to just do it Christmas time like I'm doing it now. It's raining, so it's not great blowout weather, but this sweater is Show Me Your Moo, rented from Fashion Pass. I think it's so bright and fun, so I'm obviously wearing it on the podcast today. Let's go get a blowout. So good. I've been just showing an inspiration picture. I feel like when you show an inspiration picture, it helps a ton for consistency. All right, I'm making my second coffee. Danielle is about to be here and then we're gonna record. I love these comfy, cozy recording days. It's like gloomy out and stuff, so it's like the perfect recording weather. The setup, if you go on Gals on the Go YouTube, you'll see this. We record now, we do some at Danielle's, some at mine, go back and forth, but this is it today. It's cute and cozy, I think. We just finished recording and now we are planning like the travels and stuff for the tour, which is fun.
I'm so excited.
Me too.
There's a lot more coordination needed for this.
Oh, you're so business mode right now. You got your glasses on, you're like, oh,
got the bridge of my nose, got the glasses.
librarians. Knows the books. Yeah, no, I do feel that there's a lot of moving pieces and stuff to all of these. I mean, there were moving pieces in the New York show, and this one just, it's more travel, more everything.
Yeah, we're trying to nip it in the bud.
Yes,
now.
Emma's coming with us to these shows too, so it's, you know, 3 gals, these cities. Emma's about to be here, and we're gonna go through everything. Yes, and then we have a call at 5, and then I'm going to a show tonight. So that is what's on deck for the rest of the day. I'm really looking forward to it.
She's calling it like I'm going to a show. She's going to the best show ever.
The greatest show.
I need to not talk it up, actually.
I know, it's like
gonna
you're hyping.
suck.
It's Take Me Out. Danielle's been hyping this up too much. She's like, I'm seeing it for the second time. There are so many Broadway shows. The fact that you're seeing it for a second time really, that says a lot.
I think so too.
Yeah.
Well, because this was gonna end, so I'm like, what?
Gotta get it in.
Yeah.
Just had a great meeting.
Big
I
Gals
just
in the Go
blocked you.
Day.
Hello, Big Gals in the Go Day. And we just, that was a merch meeting, which, you know, exciting things coming. But also with Emma, we planned a lot of live show stuff, and the live shows are gonna be so
many notes
fun.
everywhere. We're
I know Danielle's like a million lists. You've been like a note taker today. You're the what's that called when you have like scribe? Like,
the scribe.
Yeah, like you know, like it was like, all right,
The
each
legal
group
scribe,
nominate a scribe.
Yes. My handwriting's not good, but I just need to like, because we were having such good ideas. I was like, I don't want to lose them.
I know, when you're having a good brainstorming day, it's like the ideas are flowing. If you haven't gotten tickets and you live in Orlando or Tampa or just anywhere adjacent that you could drive and come to the shows.
They're gonna be so much fun. I mean, we literally met in Florida. Like, Florida's like a really important place for. I'm from Tampa. Like, y'all need to come.
You better come. And I know a lot of you Disney girlies are out there, the Orlando gals.
This is true.
So come.
Come through.
Come through. I need to get ready because I have a show at 7 and you know, it's
Call
Midtown.
time.
Call time. It takes a second to get up to Midtown.
It does.
In this time of day. I just
Dude, I was gonna say, you need dinner.
Yeah. I just ate
Candy.
cheese with my bare hand.
Brooke and I are so different. I'm like, I need meal. You're like, I'll just eat some snacks. Like,
Well, I mean, like, would I like a meal? Yes, but like, you know,
Do I have
sometimes
time for a meal?
I didn't plan adequately today.
on the go.
I'm ready for the theater. Alicia's gonna pick me up now. We're going together, so we're gonna split an Uber. Yeah, I'm just wearing, oh, hold on, I buttoned my jacket. It's like raining outside. I'm just wearing a black turtleneck, black skirt from Fashion Pass, and then black tights, but they keep riding up and like the underneath keeps showing, so I'm like keeping my jacket shut because I cannot be bothered right now. I'm in a rush. I have so many pimple patches on because I picked up my skin like an idiot. We'll talk tomorrow. I'm just gonna read my book and sit here with my pimple patches on. I look rough. I'm about to do my makeup, hence why I have these makeup clips in. Because we have a big day today, but I'm going to put that in a separate vlog. Obviously made my coffee again, but I wanted to talk about the show. I really liked it. It was fun. It was more serious than I thought it was gonna be. I thought I would be like laughing the whole time, and I definitely laughed, but it's kind of serious. Jesse Williams was great. If you get the chance to see Take Me Out, I said I want to keep going to more Broadway shows this year, so that was so cool that I went. Anyways, we have a fun weekend ahead, so I'm gonna do a separate vlog for that. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye!